Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate NLE templates in Premiere Pro. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Go to the Essential Graphics panel located on the right side of the interface. If you don't see the Essential Graphics panel, navigate to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down, select Essential Graphics to make it visible. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on the Browse tab. Here, you will find a library of templates. To access NLE templates, look for the folder labeled Templates within the panel. Click on the Templates folder to view all available templates. Browse through the available NLE templates until you find one that suits your project. Once you have made your selection, simply click on the desired template. Drag the selected template directly onto your timeline. Position the template where you want it to appear in your video. With the template selected in the timeline, you can customize its settings. To do this, go back to the Essential Graphics panel and click on the Edit tab. Here you will find options to adjust text, colors, and other elements. Make any desired changes to fit your project style. Once you are satisfied with the customizations, play back your timeline to review. Continue refining your project as needed. When finished, export your video to save the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.